I have a Danby portable air conditioner. It has started leaking water from the bottom every time the dehumidifier is on, even after I just drained the pan. Any idea what I should do?
Do you know the model of your Danby AC unit? When did you last replace the air filter?
Danby 3-in-1 14,000 BTUs. Or do you want the actual model number?
How long has this been going on with your Danby air conditioner? What have you tried so far?
It's been going on for 2 days now. It's brand new. I've only had it for 2 months and I've already drained it multiple times, but it will leak slowly whenever I turn it back on.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
No, that's all.
Hello. I am working on your question. I will do my best to go above and beyond with additional insights and information that will help you in the future as well. I'm Phil, mechanical engineer / HVAC contractor retired. The bucket on those needs to manually empty it unless you have connected the drain tube at the bottom rear of the unit to a drain outside. Get me the actual model number, we can go from there.
Okay. I have drained the bucket manually. Model number is Model number DPA 120B8WDB6.
Thanks. Click the link below https://www.manualslib.com/manual/805639/danbydpa120b1wb.html. Page equals 16 #manual. See drain hose connection instructions pages approx 14 to 16. Let me know how it all goes, we can proceed from there if needed. Come back whenever you have a question in any area. We have medical doctors, attorneys and all sorts of other well-vetted experts here.
Okay, I tried the draining, however, there is still some leaking coming from the bottom where there's small spaces in the frame. Also, I realized the model number for my unit is actually Danby PA120B8WDB6. For some reason they give both numbers on the owner manual.
Thanks. Have to take the unit apart and clean the cooling coil drain pan. A real job. Or you might want to connect it to a drain as shown in the manual and see how that goes first. That will most likely solve the problem.
Okay, I will go with that. Thank you.
Great, stay in touch as needed.
Okay, unfortunately the leak continues even with the drain setup. What did you suggest if I need to take it apart and look inside?
Look inside for a clogged drain tube or drain pan full of slime. It sits directly under the cooling coil.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/ythi.